Lyra, and I am at my dad's work because I have to be here. And where is he? There's a dog. I'm gonna show you that. Hey! I'm about to go outside. I am. So here he is. Okay, now he goes over here. Come here. Hi. Say hi. He's adorable. He's right over here. Hey, come here. Hey. Hey. You're taking everything. He's right here. And he is not my dog. He is Walter's. Or, yeah. I'm just videoing this randomly. What are you doing?
Calm down, don't you jump on that.
So, say hi to YouTube, Zach. Okay. Sorry. Hey, Connor. Hey. Hey, buddy. He's going up front. Yeah, I think I should get him. Where is he going? Oh, he's out. So this was a really random, very random. So if you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.